Hey everybody, Kickstarter, Graffiti Wars 2. Thank you everybody for being on my team of community and accountability. So this is one of my newsletters video, and this one's actually going to be all analog. So instead of showing you digital stuff, the last piece that I shared was a long video of the entire book. Um, And then what I've done is, um, well, this one's the first book, right? So here's the first book, right? Everybody's has a glimpse of it, and if you don't, you can buy one on Amazon. And this is the first book of the trilogy. And then guess what? I did an artist proof of the second one. Graffiti Wars, When Art Saved the World, Book Two. I've got my camera back here, so it's backwards. Book Two of the trilogy, Book Two. And this one, so this is, so here's the size of the first one. And so this one's definitely thicker. So that an artist proof means that it's just one of a kind. And my goal was to get artwork and words on every single page and then pull a proof. And then I'll look at it. And basically, I'm going to work on every single page and then add pages and delete one or two. But this is perfect though. So super excited about it. Let's see, how do I hold it so you can actually see it? So it's happening. It's just a whole world of like, okay, I have no idea what I'm doing, and I'm just gonna do it. And it's great because a bunch of times I just get, I can't stop. So I'm in that place now. So here's book two, and the way that I'm doing it is the digital stuff. And I have so much photo reference, it's ridiculous, of stuff. But then I go through my reference and you know, I grab, I do pencil drawings. Like I needed to do it, I'm doing pencil drawings, or I'm doing these kind of watercolor, um, I don't put that in that, what these kind of watercolor drawings. So, I needed a character and he's spray painting and I needed him to turn his head. So all of this is, then I photograph these and I put them into Photoshop, put them into InDesign. So then I've got, so my hardest thing is my characters. So that's just that's my cutting edge. And so characters, I'm like, okay, let's just draw, let's just draw, let's just draw, let's just draw. And that's the only way it's going to happen. It's really just, making lots of bad drawings, and out of there somewhere is going to be a mix of something where it actually does something. And here's where I'm, just trying to do other, how does it, when he falls down the stairs, what do we do? So it's this very fun thing. Now I'm going to do a painting on top of this. So I haven't painted that much in this book. I'm using reference from a lot of my paintings, but I actually haven't painted directly for this. So I'm excited about that. And it's going to be a whole bunch of whales. It's going to be Garuda kind of flying around, and then it's going to be the tugboat flying around. And it's ultimately a very beautiful, serene, moment in the book. All right. Thank you.